Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you. The COSLUS 7 inches 1 JBKD Electric Exfoliating Spin Cleanser, the best facial cleansing brush you can find. If you're looking for a game changer in your skincare routine, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at this amazing facial cleansing brush from COSLUS. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. As you can see, it comes with 7 different brush heads, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Whether you want to remove whiteheads, blackheads, deeply cleanse your pores, or even remove makeup, this brush has got you covered.
It's not just about the quantity of brush heads, it's also about quality.
The motor in this face brush is a real powerhouse, providing twice the power of regular spin brushes. Plus, it comes with 3 cleansing bristle brush heads for replacement, ensuring hygienic use and a longer service life.
Now, let's talk about performance.
After all, it's not just about the bells and whistles. It's about how well it actually works on your skin. The COSLUS brush offers 2 rotation speeds, one for gentle exfoliating and daily cleansing, and another for deep cleansing and exfoliating dead skin cells. It's 6 times more effective than washing your face by hand. Just take a look at these before and after images.
The results speak for themselves.
Your skin will feel cleaner and look healthier with regular use. Another standout feature is its waterproof design.
You can safely use it in the shower without worrying about damage.
It's rated IPX7 waterproof, making it a perfect companion for your daily skincare routine.
With the holiday season around the corner, here's something to keep in mind.
This COSLUS facial cleansing brush kit makes for the perfect Christmas or Thanksgiving gift. It comes in a compact size, with exchangeable brushes, comfortable grips, and a high-quality design. Giving the gift of beauty is always a great choice. One last thing to note, if you ever need replacement heads, make sure to get the 7 inches 1 JBKD facial cleansing brush replacement heads with 5 PCS. It's important to keep your brush in top shape. And there you have it, folks. The COSLUS 7 inches 1 JBKD Electric Exfoliating Spin Cleanser. Your ticket to radiant and healthy skin. That's a wrap for today's review. If you want to elevate your skincare game and enjoy that fresh, post-facial feeling every day, this COSLUS brush is the way to go. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.